Alright guys, I'm making this video to let you all know that I'm sorry. I haven't uploaded videos in like a month or so, and yeah, I've just been like, I haven't gotten any ideas. I haven't really been on YouTube a lot. Like videos won't upload through my phone. I don't know why. I'm making this video using my mom's phone. So yeah, today is my birthday. It's July 6th, so yeah, I got a GoPro. I was just downstairs for like an hour or so setting it up, making a little box for it that it goes in, and yeah. So I should be making videos through that. My video Dead Bird, that video I sent to my mom's phone and uploaded. See, I just haven't been uploading videos. I don't know why. I'm really sorry. It's been like a month. But I will like make YouTube my main focus because I go to the pool a lot and I haven't really been having ideas to do it because I have a phone. But now I have a GoPro, so I could go underwater. I don't really know how to edit videos with the GoPro, but I could try. So yeah. Alright, so last time I have a GoPro for my birthday, so I should be uploading videos more at the pool. I am going to start focusing a lot of time to YouTube. I'm sorry for not uploading videos in like a month. And fourth, my phone won't let me upload videos through to YouTube, so I have to like make one, edit one, and send it to my mom's phone. The trouble with that is that sometimes if you send a video to another phone, it'll have bad quality. So yeah, I should be uploading videos more often, but most of them will be on a GoPro. But I'll try my best to make some videos on a phone. Alright, bye. Thank you for understanding.